As you know, getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours can be kind of difficult for a new YouTuber. But what you may not know is that you don't actually need those metrics to start making money online with YouTube fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can make $1,000 per month or more without having to be monetized by the YouTube Partner Program. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which of these 10 methods will work out best for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I have made money with stand mixers, soundbars, microwaves, security cameras, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing and internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. All right, so as I mentioned, there are at least 10 ways that you can make $1,000 per month simply with YouTube, and it doesn't even require to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. Now, being a part of the YouTube Partner Program can be kind of challenging. That's when you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to be eligible for monetization. It is entirely possible that you meet those requirements and you're still not eligible for monetization, or the money that you start making is actually really low. So make sure you watch this because there are tons of opportunities out there, and each one of these opportunities can bring you at least $1,000 per month. So let's go ahead and talk about the first one. The first one's actually with digital products. Now, digital products are simply products that you create and you package them up and sell them. They can be an ebook, they can be a blueprint, they can be a step-by-step checklist, an audiobook. Here's an example of a step-by-step guide that I put together teaching people how to make money with short format videos. For example, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reddit, Instagram. I put together a 43-page blueprint with a few bonuses to help people make money. And I sell this for $5. And it's actually really easy to do. You can do this on a Google Doc. You can use a Word document if you want to. And really, this took me just a weekend to create. It took me a weekend to create the sales page, and you can use something like ClickFunnels, or you can use WordPress for free, or you can use other software out there. But you simply create a sales page and you explain what the product does. You show a few examples, and you can put this right in the bottom or in the description of your content. Now, you can actually charge whatever you want for these blueprints, but I wanted this to be a low barrier to entry, of a very easy thing for people to consume. And again, you can get this done in a weekend or less. You simply will create the content, put the link in the description of your content, and as people come across your videos, they can click and buy. And it can be on literally anything. Whatever your YouTube channel is, make sure that you're creating this digital download or digital product so that it is congruent with your channel. You would not want to create a product about basket weaving when your channel is about gardening. That's not going to work. You want to make sure that it's congruent or in line. So if your channel is about gardening, then maybe you want to sell a little quick training or guide on how to grow tomatoes faster, if that's even possible. And so you want to make sure that the key thing with digital products is the product has to be congruent with what your target audience wants and needs. And it's actually really easy. So that's number one, selling digital products. Number two is selling physical products. Now, for this example, I'm using Russell Brunson's book, Expert Secrets. This is a physical book that he sends out if someone buys. Now, again, the key is you want to make sure that the products that you're selling are congruent or in line with what your target audience wants and needs. This book, Expert Secrets, teaches people how to make money online, sharing what they know, what their expertise is. And you can literally create a book on anything. There are many platforms out there that will actually help you self-publish your book. And so this can be a great way. Now, I personally don't like physical products because it takes time to send them out. It actually will cost you money to send out physical products. Maybe you weave baskets for a living, you can send those out as well. You can package those up and send it out. But physical products will work just as well. And you can charge, once again, whatever you want for it. You could even take requests through your YouTube channel to create custom designs if you're selling like baskets, or maybe you're selling tomato seeds or something along those lines. You can package that up and sell it. But selling physical products, anything from books to seeds, make sure that it's legal. The seeds are legal, but can be a great way to make $1,000 per month relatively easy and relatively fast. The third way is starting a Patreon or a membership. Now, there are many types of memberships out there. There's Patreon, there's OnlyFans. You can also do memberships through Facebook groups as well. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to sell a membership where you offer additional contributions to your audience. So you're going to maybe go on your Patreon and you're going to go live, or you're going to offer additional training. Now, once again, let's use the gardening example. Let's say your YouTube channel is about gardening. Maybe you do a Patreon episode where you do a live gardening episode and you show people how to plant your tomato seeds correctly, or maybe the best tips and tricks that you don't share over on YouTube about Patreon. Now, the cool thing with Patreon is you can charge a monthly subscription for people to engage with you. If you want to do live sessions where you do Q&A, it's also a great place to do it. And again, you can charge a little bit more. And you can see within Patreon, there are different packages that you can sell, anywhere between $5 and $25. Really, there's no limit on what you can charge. Just make sure that it is worth it and adds additional value to your target audience. Now, again, you want to make sure that your Patreon is congruent with your YouTube channel. The next way, and one of my favorite ways to make money, is with affiliate marketing. And I actually want to show you my channel. This channel here is called Web Hosting Rewind. It only has 700 subscribers, but my main goal is to make money with affiliate marketing on this channel. Now, this channel teaches people how to start a blog. As you can see here, lots of videos on how to start a blog. One thing that you'll notice is that there aren't a ton of views. I'm not getting thousands and hundreds of thousands of views. These views are highly targeted views. These are people that are only interested in starting a blog. And if we open up one of these videos, for example, you'll see that I have an affiliate link to Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting platform. Excuse me. Bluehost is a web hosting platform. And you can see if they click on this and they purchase Bluehost, I earn a commission. If we look, I have a link to getting premium WordPress themes. This third link is actually to a course, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But you can see that this is a great way because these are highly targeted viewers. These people have a problem and I'm walking them through the solution. And so I can make money, and I do make money with affiliate commission. So affiliate marketing is a great way. And there are thousands of affiliate programs. Again, if you're in the gardening niche, go out and find seeds that you can be affiliate for. There are different gardening tools that they can use over on Amazon or Lowe's or Home Depot that you can be an affiliate for and make money. The great thing with affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about physically shipping anything out. You simply create content that connects with your target audience and you can make money. If you're in the how to start a YouTube channel niche, for example, you could recommend the best camera, the best lighting, the best camera lenses, the best microphone. There are tons of options when it comes to affiliate marketing. After affiliate marketing, which happens to be one of my favorite, is selling merchandise. Now, what you can do is you can open a merch store, which is congruent with your YouTube channel, maybe your logo. If you have a common saying, a funny saying, your face, if you wanted to, you can slap it on these different products, and then you can add a link to your merch store. Now, in order to get the merch shelf, which you see below this video, you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers, but you need 0 subscribers to start a merch store. And the cool thing is people will buy. And the even better thing with Teespring is you don't have to worry about processing payments. You don't have to worry about creating the t-shirt yourself. You don't even have to worry about shipping. You just basically put the link to the merch store and Teespring will handle the rest. And you can charge basically whatever you want for these t-shirts or sweatshirts, whatever it may be. But selling merch can be a profitable way to make money. Another great way to make money is actually with email marketing. And with email marketing, you're basically going to collect emails of your viewers, and then you can actually make money in a few different ways. You can make money by sending them back to your YouTube channel when you upload more videos. You can make money when you add a new shirt over on Teespring, or if there are affiliate products you want to sell. And so what I recommend that you do right away is start email marketing. Before you do anything else, I think that you should start collecting emails because these are going to be your fans. These are going to be people that want to hear from you when it comes to uploading a new video. You just send out an email and say, hey, look, I uploaded a brand new video. Please let me know what you think. You can send them an email when you say, hey, look, I'm starting a Patreon. What should I include in my Patreon? Or what do you guys think about this type of digital product? And then you can really get feedback from your fans and your target audience, and you can create the perfect products that they will absolutely buy. So I recommend that you start email marketing right away. My favorite email marketing platform is Aweber. I'll put a link in the description to help you get going. Now with Aweber, you can actually get started for free for the first 500 subscribers. So you won't pay a dime to start email marketing, and you can start building your email list, and you can actually start making money right away. So I recommend that you start AWeber and email marketing as soon as possible. Another thing that you can sell and make money is selling service. You can sell software as a service. You can sell service. Maybe you're a graphic designer. Maybe you are willing to come out and plant tomato seeds for them. You can sell a service. Now, what I've done here is I have reseller hosting. It's software as a service. If I wanted to, instead of sending people over to Bluehost, I could start a web hosting company and actually say, hey, look, if you get started with my web hosting company, you can start for half the price of Bluehost, whatever Bluehost is charging, and I can make money. The only drawback to starting a web hosting company or software as a service is you are now a CEO and you're taking on additional responsibility. In fact, this is what Name Hero does. Name Hero has a channel where they actually will create content to send people back over to their products and services. As you can see here, web hosting heroes, 315 views, but these are highly targeted views where they're building their business using YouTube. And you can do the exact same thing as long as there is a service that is congruent with what your target audience is interested in. After reseller hosting or software as a service, we have online courses. Now, online courses are one of my top 3 or 4 favorite ways to make money online, simply because you can create a course once and you can sell it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It goes into a little bit more depth than that digital product that we mentioned a little bit earlier, and you can continue to add on the course and continue to make money. Now, what I'm showing you here are the courses that I've created over on Udemy. What I recommend that you do is do not use Udemy to sell your courses. I recommend that you create the courses and host them yourself using something like Thinkific or Udemy, or I think Coursera, you might be able to do it as well, or even use something like LearnDash, which is a plugin for WordPress. Sell the course yourself and you can sell it for more and make even more money. If you use something like Udemy, which is fine, you're going to split the revenue. So instead of me making $29.99 on the Affiliate Marketing for Beginners Masterclass, I only make anywhere between $9.99 and like $15 on that course. You create the course and sell it yourself, you can actually make more money. But after creating and selling courses, I recommend that you do coaching. You can actually set up coaching programs. For example, here is my coaching program where I help people make money online with affiliate marketing. This is group coaching. And so I get groups of people together. We walk through their business, and we help them build a business. Now, you can do group coaching or you can do one-on-one coaching. One-on-one coaching is a little bit more time intensive, but you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and recap, make sure that we hit them all. Number 1 is selling digital products. Number 2, physical products. Number 3, a Patreon or some type of membership. Number 4, one-on-one coaching. Number 5, group coaching. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Number 7, selling merch. Number 8, email marketing. Number 9, selling a service. And number 10, creating a course. Now that you know 10 ways that you can make $1,000 per month with your YouTube channel, click the first link in the description for my free cheat sheet. That cheat sheet will help you make money online with stuff that you have lying around the house. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.